Welcome back to a brand new episode of Non-Typical Nation. I'm your host, Brody Teal. This week, we are back with Brandon from Nature Fellas. We're going to be fishing the legendary Williston Lake for lake trout, bull trout, and rainbow trout. But before we get into our summer action, we're going to share a little spring montage with you guys. We spent a couple days with Brandon in the spring fishing the Peace River and Williston Lake. So we're going to kick this episode off with that. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this week's episode of Non-Typical Nation. Seems good. It's a fish. It's a good fish. Yeah, it's got some weight to it. There you go, guys. First fish of the day. Look at that. Absolutely stunning.
Very strong fish. That's a beautiful fish right there. Put up a hell of a fight. Thanks for the fight, buddy. Hopefully we can get some more in this hole.
Non-Typical Nation is brought to you by Antler Obsession, Portable Winch, Grizz Targets and Archery, APA Archery, FM Trailer World, Badlands Canada, Dry Shot Canada, 222 Metalworks, Dave Booth Taxidermy, Reconico Outdoors, and these fine outfitters: Pure Passion Outfitting, Canadian Wildlife Adventures, Lac La Biche Fishing Adventures, Nature Fellas, Basso Safaris. This segment is proudly brought to you by Basso Safaris, offering world-class hunting and fishing adventures across South Africa.
It's wild to think that we may have been one of the last fishermen to fish this stretch of the river before it was impacted by Site C Dam. The water levels are now way up and the river has changed forever. But that's it for that. Let's jump right on in to our July summer fishing trip with Brandon from Nature Fellas. Oh boy, did we ever have a ton of fun. So let's get right on into the action. Okay guys, it is go time. It is late July right now and I am back with Brandon from Nature Fellas. I am fired up, guys. We were here last year, caught some incredible fish, and we are back. We've got a couple days here on Williston Lake. It is beautiful today, and I'm fired up. We're gonna catch some bull trout, some lake trout, and of course, some rainbows. So here we are, late July. What is the game plan today? What are we gonna start?
We're gonna start chasing lakers today,
Okay.
I think, first thing in the morning. We'll do a big boat ride, get up the lake as far as we can, and then get after it. And then maybe this evening we'll go chase some bulls in the
Awesome.
rivers, so.
Okay, I cannot wait, guys. Let's get on the lake. It's right around 7:30 right now, so it's nice and early. We got a full day of fishing and then back at it tomorrow. Let's get going.
Let's get going. At the spot, almost. We'll see if we can get a boat in here. It's lower than I thought it was, but yeah, looking pretty nice, buddy.
Okay guys, we're just pulling into the spot where we're gonna be camping tonight. We're gonna unload all our gear and then we're heading out to go catch some lake trout. But this is an incredible spot for rainbows and bull trout. So I think we might cast the line anyways and just see what happens. Got one, guys. Got one. Yeah. Nice bull. Little bull. Nice.
Oh, there he goes.
Well, there we go, guys. Second cast in this spot, and we had a bull trout chase it and absolutely smash that hook. We knew there were going to be bull trout in here. Sure enough, we hooked onto him. I can't wait to get that hook back in the water. We netted that fish and it actually put a hole in the net, so we couldn't get a photo, but the fish is gone and it's time to catch another one. Let's go.
See my fly rod. It's okay, he's just a little itsy bitsy baby.
Look at that, guys. Well, guys, I just got my first, I think it's a bull trout on the fly here. Super exciting. Little ways down the stream there. But, geez, these are fun to catch. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Super, super cool. Unreal. I never thought I'd catch anything on the fly rod this weekend. Just thought we'd try it, and here we go. We'll let this one go and keep on fishing.
This segment is brought to you by Dave Booth Taxidermy, Northern Alberta's foremost wildlife studio.
While I caught my first bull trout on the fly, this certainly was a special one. Those fish are so much fun to catch on a fly rod. You know, we were absolutely nailing the rainbow trout and the bull trout. The wind picked up, so we tucked ourselves into that bay and we had a ton of fun. But the wind has now died down, so it is time for us to sneak out onto the big lake after big lake trout. Let's go. Okay guys, we are trolling for lake trout. We had to wait a little bit today for the wind to die down. It was quite choppy out. So we decided to fish the creeks and the bays for rainbow trout and bull trout. And we caught plenty of them. I even caught my first bull trout on the fly rod. Super exciting, but the wind has stopped, the sun is shining, and we've got these downriggers about 20 feet deep in the water right now, and we are ready to catch some lake trout. I'm super excited. The guys were doing pretty good here the last couple of weeks, so hopefully we can hook on to some big lakers. There we go, fish on, guys.
That's a good fish. He's a heavy fish. There he is.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
That is huge, buddy. God damn! That's a beautiful lake trout, just trolling a spoon, and Jared hammered the hook set. Yeah, that's the first one to the boat. Not a bad way to start the day.
Jared hooked on to an incredible lake trout on the downrigger, and now we're doing some jigging. We think we located these fish, and I'm getting bites.
That's what they need.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah. Keep them tight. There you go. Now you can just work them. Just keep your rod tight. Work them. Beautiful, buddy.
Nice. Nice. This never gets old, guys.
Do you want a net man or cameraman?
Oh yeah. This is a good fish. Nice. Beautiful. Okay guys, here we are. We're gonna get this fish back in the water right away. They're pretty deep, so we take them up nice and slow, get a quick photo, and he is going back. Nice fish on, guys. Pretty good.
Oh, there he is. He's a good fish.
Yeah.
Really good fish. Another great one. He's ready, he'll come up. Hey, buddy. Look at that one. Wow. Another nice laker jigging. Jared's just been slaying them. He's out fishing us, so someone else has got to catch a fish soon and we're going home.
Look at that, Jared.
Oh yeah, he's a big boy.
How did that fight?
Oh, he fought hard. Not like the last one, but this one really gave me a good fight coming up.
Great job.
Good job, Jared. Good job, buddy. Beautiful fish. 10 more of those, and that's a pretty good day, I think, eh?
Insane, you guys. We dropped our lines. Yeah, this guy. This guy's supposed to be running camera for us today, and he's catching all the big lake trout.
What is going on? Another hog for Jared. Hands are nice and wet. We'll get a good look at this fish.
Woo. Well, had this lake trout on the line. It gave me a good fight, and it really was pulling some line out. It took quite a while to pull in, and definitely gave me a sore arm at the end of it. But just look at that. She's got some heft to her.
Beauty. Oh, look at that. Puked out a kokanee. You see that? The fish just puked out a kokanee while we were letting it go. Just a pig of a fish.
Woo!
Woo!
This segment is made possible by Canadian Wildlife Adventures, your premier destination for Arctic wolf, wolverine, and muskox hunts.
Wow, what a day. Brandon has these fish absolutely dialed in. We're having an absolute blast. There's only one problem. So far, the cameraman is out fishing me. I've got to step up my game.
Yeah. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Oh, man. What a fish.
What a fish. The way that fish struck that hook was something else. That hook wasn't on the bottom for 20 seconds. There's that. There's that. And there's that. Right on. Look at that fish. Absolutely spectacular. We just moved to the hole, dropped the line, and we nailed him. On to the next one. Yeah, I just had a strike too, man.
Keep yours in. Doubled up.
There we go, guys.
So who do you think's bigger?
What a
This
fish.
one's giving me a pretty good fight. I don't know.
We've got two big lake trout on, guys. Big fish.
Okay, I'll come get.
This is the biggest fish I've reeled in today. Hands
it.
down. Oh.
Good runs, good runs.
Oh, wow.
Look at that hook.
Just spit the hook, guys, as soon as that fish surfaced.
So that was a double header. The teeth on that laker shredded a hole right through my net, and we lost Jared's fish. But quick patch job, we got Brody, so he got his revenge.
Wow, incredible, you guys. Lake trout fishing doesn't get much better than this. Wow. Look at that fish, you guys. Holy smokers.
Still got a lot of life in him, buddy.
Just an absolute tank. We got a double header here with Nature Fellas, and this is about the 15th fish in the boat in the last hour and a half. Absolutely incredible. He's going back. There he goes, guys. Super cool. There's another one, guys. One after another. It hasn't been 5 minutes. We've got another fish on the line. Oh yeah.
Nice, pal. Nothing wrong with that one.
No, not at all, man. Okay,
Not at
guys,
all.
this is our 17th fish of the evening here. And no slouch. Look at that, guys. We're jigging off bottom, and we are absolutely nailing these fish, finding these holes, and it's one after another. This never gets old, and that's why we fish with Brandon here, guys. He knows where these fish are and knows how to catch them. So he's going back. We're gonna keep chasing that monster.
Let's go.
There we go, guys. Fish on.
Fish on.
Fish on. We got a double header right now. Nope, lost him. Lost him. You got yours?
Yep, still got him. Hopefully he doesn't get off.
There we go, guys. Wow. What a way.
Net job.
What a way to end the evening, you guys. I lost a couple there right at the end. We had a double header, and you landed an absolute tank.
That's a beautiful fish.
Wow.
It's a beautiful fish.
Wow. Guys, it does not get better than this. Lake trout fishing here is world class. Okay, let's get this guy unhooked and get a photo. There we go, guys. Look at that. What a way to end the evening here with Nature Fellas.
Love wrestling lake trout.
Just a slob of a lake trout. Thank you all so much for tuning in. You know, Brandon really has something special there in British Columbia. It really is a world-class lake trout and bull trout fishery. And Brandon has these fish dialed in. So check him out, guys. Brandon with Nature Fellas. Tune in next week as we are heading to Northwest Territories. We've got 3 episodes to share with you guys. But next week, we'll be chasing muskox. I'll see you there.
FM Trailer World, family owned and operated since 1969. From cargo to utility and flatbed trailers, we've got the inventory ready to roll. We pride ourselves on low overhead, which means low prices for you. Visit FM Trailer World today. Built on trust, priced to move.
The word blessed doesn't necessarily describe what is happening right now. The hospitality that myself, my wife have received at Basel Safaris is absolutely unbelievable. This experience, if I use the word life-changing, that's about as close as it gets. So, of course, thank you.
Unmatched fishing, unforgettable memories. Book your next fishing trip today with Canadian Wildlife Adventures.
The hunter who harvested North America's biggest whitetail in 2023 trusted the Rakanaco Canuck HD. The remote POV function allows you to self-film in HD for up to 10 minutes. Numbered photos in the app ensure all your photos are being received and get cell coverage where others won't. With more features and proven performance than any cellular trail camera on the market, seasoned outdoorsmen across North America trust the Canuck HD from Rakanaco Outdoors. Make every shot count.
Hunt, fish, and explore the Saskatchewan wilderness with Pure Passion Outfitting. All-inclusive bear hunting, waterfowl hunting, and jet boat fishing trips. Book now at purepassionoutfitting.com.
Okay guys, Portable Winch has saved the day again. This little unit, the PCW 4000, can pull up to 11,000 pounds with a couple pulleys. It only weighs 26.5 pounds and it's nice and small and compact. It can fit inside the box of my quad. It helped me retrieve moose, bear, deer, and now my quad. Check them out guys, portablewinch.ca.
I'm Brandon Clark from Nature Fellas. We specialize in trophy lake trout, bull trout, and rainbow trout fishing in the Peace region in British Columbia.